Ceylon tea, emotion in a cup.
सुबह के ख्वाब से उड़ाई है, पलकों के नीचे छुपाई है, मानो न मानो तुम सोते सोते ख्वाबों में भी ख्वाब दिखाती है.
So Sri Lanka is fourth largest producer of tea in the world. Their Damro tea plantation, also known as Labookellie tea plantation, is one of the oldest and the largest tea plantations of the island.
मानो न मानो तुम परी है वो परी की कहानियां सुनाती है.
Spread across 5,000 acres, this tea estate generates employment for more than 1 million people directly and indirectly, with a production of roughly 2,000 kgs of tea every day throughout the year. Let's see how they do it.
Hi guys, welcome to Backpack with Bush. We are here at Nuwara Eliyah in Sri Lanka, specifically at Damro tea plantation.
We will take you through the journey of how the tea is created, right from plucking to the final product. So let's get started.
The process of Ceylon tea starts with plucking. Damro tea plantation has roughly 1,000 pluckers working 8 hours a day to collect roughly 20 kgs of tea every day. Once entered the factory, these leaves are withered. By withered, we mean spreading these leaves in a very cool and ventilated environment to dry them out in order to remove their moisture content. After withering, these leaves are crushed, rolled and tossed by the machines.
Those are the machines. We are calling roller.
The purpose of this process is to ensure that the leaves walls break down in order to release enzymes that promote oxidation. After these leaves are tossed and crushed, the process of oxidation starts. This process is also called fermentation. Here, the leaves are spread out on a large table and left to sit for a specific moment of time, ranging from a few hours to several days. This process changes the leaves' chemical composition and gives them their characteristic color and fragrance. After the oxidation, these leaves are dried in a very huge pan where they are dried and fired up. The purpose of this process is to stop oxidation and to reduce the moisture content down to 3%. And that was the final process. After this, the leaves are graded and sorted basis their quality and color. And after that, they are exported throughout various countries in the world. So after visiting the factory, we went ahead for the tea safari. So tea safari was a very good experience where we sat on their jeep and went out in the tea plantation to see all the tea shrubs and how the plucking is done. So overall the experience was really good. After that we enjoyed our tea, a complimentary tea that they give in their lounge where we had this delicious chocolate cake.
So if you enjoyed watching how the tea is made and if you ever visited a tea plantation, then share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time!